Error code 6000 in Arc Raiders indicates that the game's anti-cheat system isn't responding properly. This system is crucial for fair play in the game's mech-based VR battles, preventing cheats like aimbots or unauthorized modifications. The anti-cheat not responding error typically arises during game launch, matchmaking, or even mid-game sessions, leading to crashes or potential bans. It signifies a failure in the anti-cheat module, whether it's a proprietary system or a third-party tool like Easy Anti-Cheat or BattleEye, to initialize correctly or maintain proper communication with the game server. Several factors can trigger error code 600, including hardware limitations, software conflicts, and network issues. For example, VR games demand significant CPU and GPU resources. Therefore, lower-end systems may cause the anti-cheat to lag or fail. Incompatible antivirus software, VPNs, or conflicting anti-cheat tools from other games can also interfere. A poor network connection or strict firewall settings can disrupt server communication. First, verify game integrity. Use the Steam or Quest launcher to verify the game files, ensuring no corrupted data is present. Second, update drivers. Keep your graphics card drivers up to date to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. Third, run as administrator. Launch Arc Raiders with administrator privileges to grant necessary permissions. Fourth, disable conflicting apps. Temporarily disable VPNs, overlays, or other programs that might interfere with the anti-cheat system. Fifth, check network connection. Ensure a stable internet connection and configure your firewall to allow Arc Raiders to communicate with its servers. Sixth, recalibrate headset. Recalibrate your VR headset to resolve sensor-related errors that might trigger the code.